Ganyan lang.
Oh my God,
Now, Rigel has escaped. He cannot escape anymore.
Hindi na ba?
Yeah, and now?
Hello!
Hala ka dira.
Masig ma, yus-yus ni ha? Mulusot ni sila yung red. Tago na eh. Ano nang...
Huh?
Na 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 na
No.
na na.
And Papa is here and you do no more crying, yeah? Only when the stupid foreigner is there, yeah.
Na, sleepy oh.
Ayaw ko na ito.
Ikaw may nahubog na. Anak ni, anak.
Ayaw ra.
Saan ba
Okay.
sa bata?
Sleep.
Rigel,
Ay, pinagdilit ang dugo ng matog na na.
you like it? You're afraid of heights. So, wow, eh?
Very comfortable.
Very comfortable. We can put him outside. Eh?
Hmm?
Outside, in the wind.
Pwede mo siya natutuwas. Like,
Going to the beach? Going to the beach?
You have now? You happy now?
Yeah.
Yeah, you look very happy.
Hmm.
Why?
Hala. Iba na siya magkuhan ha, mo under?
What? What?
may under na, din ay makina.
No, it doesn't fall.
Dili na ni.
No.
Hi.
Cathy, you shouldn't go in there. You shouldn't use the other one as an adult toy, yeah?
Natuwad mo ni siya eh.
A little hammock for the baby, my God. House is full.
Ayaw, palibat-libat-libat niya.
Ang angin mo, mag-gilab yun. May sige, may tanaw na eh. Nakuha lang lang.
Ja.
Nakuha lang lang.
Dat zeg ik ook altijd, Cat. I always say that, Cat. He's right.
Nga.
That's what he says. You're right, Rafi, yeah. Yeah, he says, he's right.
Did you understand?
I got no fucking clue. Hè? Maar ja, als ik mijn taal, als ik begin te praten over Gorkum en godverdomme, dan snap je er ook niks van, hè? Muisje?